Follow me to TTF Showroom. We offer a variety of racking from light duty to warehouse racking. Look at our signature boltless rack. We are the first innovator of boltless rack in Malaysia. We provide customization for your racking levels and loading capacity. We also have storage boxes, multi-toolbox and multi-box for you to store your goods. Take a look at the different sizes of stretch film we have. Drive-in racking system to enhance your working efficiency. Modern yet simple rack. Couldn't get enough. Drop off at our Convex Mirror section on 2nd floor showroom. Store your goods with our 𝗍𝗲𝗄𝗏 basket. Showcase your products with our gondola racking, available in different colors and sizes. If you own a modern retail shop, you definitely don't want to miss out our Minso Rack. Catch a glimpse of our material handling equipment. Before you go, don't forget to explore our stackers. You will be surprised.